Udah.
Udah.
Welcome back to my channel. That's why I can be. Okay, today we have a question about quadratic equation. Okay. Uh, the question is in bracket x minus 3 times x plus 1 equals to 0. So you must find the value of x1 cube plus x2 cube and x1 minus x2 and x1 square minus x2 square. How to solve this question? Okay, if you know the principle of the quadratic equation, I think it's much easy for you to answer the question. So let's discuss together. Okay, come on. From this, x1 x minus 3 times x plus 2 equals to 0. So what we must do first is to expand this. Okay, expand this. It means that we must multiply. Okay, this the number in the bracket. So it's gonna be it equals to x. Okay, times this. Sorry. Okay. Oh my god. No, lanjut aja. Posisi. Lanjut tadi ya, habis posisi kan. Now we have this. We multiply this. Okay, x plus x times x is x1 x square. Okay, x times 1 is plus x, then minus 3 times x is minus 3x, and then minus 3 times 1 is minus 3 equals to 0, and then x square, so it's left x square minus 3x, sorry, x square. Okay, x times 1 is x minus 3 times x is minus 3x, and minus 3 times 1 is minus 3, and then so x squared x minus 3x, it's left minus 2x minus 3, so it equals to 0. Okay, from this equation, we know that is a is a is 1, okay, and b is minus 2 and c is minus 3. Once again, a is 1, b minus 2, and c is minus 3. But the question is find the value of x1 cube plus x2 cube, and then x1 minus x2, and then number 3 is x1 squared minus x2 squared. Okay, from this we must know that in the quadratic equation, you know that x1 plus x2 equals to minus b over a, right? Okay, minus b, we have here minus b minus, okay, minus b is, we have minus b, I'm sorry, minus b is, yes, ini minus b is minus 2, a is 1, right? So it's gonna, so x1 plus x2 equals to 2, right? Okay, and then x1 times x2 equals to c over a. C, we have c here minus 3. Okay, minus 3 over 1 equals to minus 3. And then we have here x1 minus x2. x1 minus x2 equals to root d over a. You know that d is discriminant, equals to d equals to b equals to b squared minus over ac. You know that b we have here, b is minus 2. Okay, minus 2 square, okay, minus, okay, negative 2 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is minus 3. Okay, minus 3, we have here minus 2 square equals to 4, right? Okay, minus 4 times 1 times minus 3 is plus 12. Okay, right? Okay, we have here, okay, 16, right? 16. Okay, and then d is d, okay, and then x1 minus x2 is square root of 16, okay, over 1, right? Okay, we have here 4 minus over 2 is 4. Yeah. So we have answer. Okay, we have answer. Suppose this a, I'm sorry, 1, this 2, and this is 3. Okay, x1 minus x2 we have 4, right? Okay, and then we have here x, okay, x1 square minus x2 square. You know that this from the, you know this in the quadratic equation. If you know that x1 square minus x2 square, okay, it equals to x1 plus x2, okay, time x1 minus x2, right? Okay, once again, x1 plus x2 okay, usually x1 square minus x2 square, x2 square, it equals to, in bracket, x1 plus x2 times x1 minus x2. You know that x1 plus x2 is, we have here minus b over a. We have the value of 2, okay, 2 x1, okay, x1 minus x2, we have here 4, right? Okay, we have here 8. 2 times 4 is 8, right? Okay, and then we have answer number 2 and number 3. What about number 1? As you know that x, you know here, x1 cube, okay, plus x2 cube, okay. As you know that in the Pascal, yeah, in the Pascal triangle, you know, as you know that it's gonna be, okay, we have here x1 plus x2 square, okay, I'm sorry, cube, minus, okay, 3, okay, 3x1 x2, okay, times x1 plus x2. Notice, okay, once again, x1 cube plus x2 cube equals to x1 plus x2 cube minus 3 over x1 x2, okay, times x1 plus x2. After this, we just substitute this x1 plus x2. Let x1 plus x2, okay, from here we have 2, right? Okay, 2, okay, cube, okay, minus 3 x1 times x2, x1 x2, we have, okay, here minus 3, right? Okay, c over a, okay, c over a minus, okay, okay, minus 3, okay, x1 plus x2, okay, x1 and plus x2 times, okay, 2, right? And then 2 power 3, okay, equals to 8, right? And then, I'm sorry, this 2 power 3 is 8, okay, and then minus 3 times, okay, 3 times minus 3 is 9, plus, okay, negative, okay, this, you know this, negative, okay, 3 times 3 is positive, right? Okay, and then we have 9, negative, plus this, we have here 3 minus 3 times minus 3 is 9, and then here times 2 is 18. Okay, so we have here 8 plus 18 is 26. Okay, so x1 cube plus x2 cube equals to 26. Now we check again. Okay, x1 cube plus x2 cube equals to x1 plus x2 cube minus 3 x1 x2 times x1 plus x2. We have here x1 x2. We have here in the value of this is 2, right? Okay, and then x1 x2 we have minus 3, okay, and then but once again we multiply by 2, so 2 power 3 is 8, right? And then minus 3 times minus 3 is 9, okay, 9, okay, times, okay, times 2 is 18, okay, so we have here 8, okay, plus 18 is 20. You notice from this how can we, I mean, when we expand this x1 plus x2 power 3 minus 3, okay, x1 x2 times x1 plus x2, because you know that in the Pascal, in the quadratic equation, you know this, for example, this is 1 plus x2, no, it equals to x1 square plus 2 x1 x2 plus x2 square, okay, and then x1 plus x2 power 3, we have x1 power 3, okay, plus 1 plus 2 is 3, right? 3x, okay, x1 square x2, okay, and then we have here 2 plus 1 is 3, okay, 3x, okay, x2 square plus x2 power over 3, right? And then we classify this x1 power 3 plus x2 power 3 plus 3 x1 square x2 plus 3 x1 x2 square. We have here x1 power 3 plus x2 power 3. Here we can factorize this, okay, 3, okay, we have here, okay, 3x1 x2 times x1 plus x2. Because we have here 3x1 x2 times x1 plus x2. Of course, we subtract by minus 3. We subtract by 3x1 x2 times x1 x2 because of to make it balanced, to make it I mean that the value from the right side the same with the right side. So this from here, because with plus we change into negative 3x1 x2, okay, times x1 plus x2. Okay, I think yes, I think it's pretty simple if you know the the formula of the question. Okay, so that okay, I hope you understand, and please don't forget to put your comment after watching my video. And for the homework is please find the value of x1, okay, x1 plus power 4 plus x2 power 4. Okay, this is homework. Okay, once again, x minus 3, okay, in bracket my times x plus 1 is equal to 0. Please find the value of your homework at home. Please find the value of x1 power 4 plus x power 4. Okay, thank you for the question. Thank you for your for watching, and forget to once again don't forget to subscribe my channel, and bye bye.